let's get excited about DIY paint making powders. Coming soon your way, a new product, Morning Dewdrops by Terry Stevens. We want to bring you creativity with DIY Paint Company and JRV Company products. So exactly what is in your dewdrop? One morning very soon you will find DIY paint making powders. These making powders are made of natural stone minerals with metallics added. There are 8 pigment powders and 2 mica powders. What do you do with them? There are so many things. Here are a few. You can create new colors by adding them to DIY paint. You can intensify like colors. You can add them to paper clay for molds or other textured mediums. You can also use them as you would with the DIY decrepit dust over ornate areas. You can also use them or mix them with DIY clear paint for additional color. You can use them in resins, encaustic waxes, and you can even tint them with DIY Big Top for a tinted sealer, or you can add them to the liquid patina and use them on fabric. Yes, fabric. Just be sure and heat set. Also, you can use them as watercolor. What? Drop the mic. Yes, watercolor. We have a new Golden Rule gilding wax that is perfection. So sit back and relax, and remember, we've always got your back. It's on the way. Please come see us at Pineville Treasure Chest 2. Morning Dewdrops by Terry Stevens, serving your Alexandria and Pineville, Louisiana DIY paint and JRV company needs. Also, please don't forget to like and follow on our social media shown below. Thank you. Bye.